Winter camping may sound daunting, but with the right preparation, it can be an incredibly peaceful and rewarding experience. Imagine waking up to a snow-covered landscape, enjoying the crisp winter air, and cozying up in a warm tent after a day of adventure. Today, I'll share practical tips on how to make your winter camping trip both cozy and safe. Your gear is your best friend when it comes to winter camping. Start with a 4-season tent. These are designed to handle snow and strong winds, giving you a sturdy shelter in tough conditions. Next, invest in a sleeping bag rated for sub-zero temperatures and pair it with an insulated sleeping pad. This pad acts as a barrier between you and the cold ground, keeping you much warmer. Don't forget your clothing. Layering is key. A moisture-wicking base layer, an insulating mid-layer, and a waterproof outer layer will keep you dry and comfortable. Sturdy insulated boots and wool socks are a must for keeping your feet warm. Choosing the right campsite is crucial for safety and comfort. Look for areas sheltered from wind, such as near a line of trees or on the leeward side of a hill. Avoid setting up camp under heavy snow-laden branches. They could drop their load unexpectedly. Research your destination beforehand, paying attention to weather conditions and potential hazards like avalanches. Always let someone know your plans and expected return time, especially in winter conditions. Staying warm starts with staying dry. Change out of wet clothes as soon as possible and keep a spare set of dry layers for sleeping. To boost your coziness, try this simple trick. Boil some water, pour it into a heat-safe bottle, and place it in your sleeping bag before bedtime. It acts as a mini radiator and can keep you warm for hours. Cooking warm meals and sipping hot drinks can also help maintain your body temperature. Pack plenty of high-energy foods like nuts, dried fruits, and chocolate to keep your energy up during the day. Lighting can make your campsite feel inviting, even in the darkest winter nights. Bring battery-powered lanterns or string lights to brighten up your tent. Inside your tent, set up a cozy area with a foam mat or a foldable camp chair. Little touches, like a warm blanket or even a small camping pillow, can make all the difference in how comfortable you feel. Winter camping has its risks, so staying safe should always be your top priority. Check the weather forecast frequently and be prepared to cut your trip short if conditions worsen. Pack a well-stocked first aid kit and familiarise yourself with basic survival skills. A GPS device or a map and compass are essential, as phone service can be unreliable in remote areas. Hypothermia and frostbite are real concerns in winter. Know the symptoms: shivering, slurred speech, and confusion for hypothermia, and numbness or discoloration for frostbite. If you notice these signs, take immediate action by warming up and seeking help if necessary. Winter camping isn't just about surviving. It's about embracing the unique beauty and serenity of the season. Spend time enjoying simple pleasures, like watching the snowfall or stargazing on a clear night. Bring along a journal, a good book, or even a small sketch pad to relax and unwind. Sometimes, it's these little moments of quiet that make the experience truly special. Before you leave, ensure that you leave no trace. Pack out all your waste, and if you built a fire, make sure it's fully extinguished and buried in snow. Winter landscapes are delicate, so let's keep them pristine for others to enjoy. With the right preparation, winter camping can be a safe and cosy adventure you'll never forget. So grab your gear, plan wisely, and enjoy the magic of the winter wilderness. Thanks for tuning in to Haswings. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring.